Finally, we were returning back to Bangalore. We left Delhi at around 8 o'clock. We had a 30-minute stopover at Costa Coffee in the food court in the middle of Yamuna Expressway at around 9:45 a.m. O'clock we reached the barista in Gwalior, but unfortunately for some reason they took some time to get things ready. So we stopped there for almost 40 minutes, had a coffee and something to eat, and then we started from there. "5:30, just after Jhansi, we stopped at this place called Mamata Resort. Unfortunately, it looked great from outside, but inside there was nothing functional. They couldn't even give us a cup of tea or even water, so we left that place. 8:30, after Malthon, we found a place which was strangely named Radisson Hotel and Resort. It had nothing to do with the popular Radisson chain, and it was like a horrible place, but we stopped there for around 15 minutes to again have a cup of tea. Finally, we are back at our home in Bhopal around 11 o'clock in the night. We were going to stay in Bhopal for next 5-6 days before we start back for Bangalore. We had some things to be taken care of locally, so we will do that, and then most probably we are going to start our journey back to Bangalore either on 29th or 30th, depending on whether we want to do a 1-day drive or 2-day drive. On 29th, we started our journey back to Bangalore from Bhopal when we decided to do a single day drive. So we left pretty early, 4:30 a.m. We were out of our home in Bhopal. Six o'clock, just after Budni, we found one roadside shop open which was selling some poha and jalebi. So we stopped there, had a light breakfast. The place was not greatly hygienic, but it was hot stuff. So we thought all the virus and bacteria must have died in the process of cooking. At 7:40 we stopped at this place called Meghna Resort and Hotel, but unfortunately it was too early for them to open. There was nothing available, so we continued on. (10:15) we crossed Nagpur and we stopped at the Lee Meridian on the other end of the Nagpur. Unfortunately, we reached at a time when the breakfast buffet was closed and the lunch was not open. So they said that they were going to take some time to cook the whatever we order, and we were not sure where are we going to stop next. So we thought, okay, let's at the risk of losing some time, let's have something here and then we go. So we spent almost 1 hour 15 minutes in this place. (1:10) we stopped at this hotel called Hotel Rahul in Pandharkavda. It's they said they are not serving anything because their liquor license is not there, even though we didn't want liquor. But because they had no liquor license, they had shut down the whole restaurant. "3:30 we stopped at Singh is King Dhaba near Nirmal. They have reasonable food, but from a hygiene standpoint, they leave lot to be desired. It's mostly frequented by the truck drivers, so the facilities are more in tune with their needs. But we anyway stopped there and had our lunch. We continuously drove till 8 p.m. after that, and we stopped at the Cafe Coffee Day in Mehboob Nagar. At 11:50 we stopped for our whatever was supposed to be the dinner at a place called Royal Dhaba Lodge and Family Restaurant. It was a 45-minute dinner. After that, we continuously drove till our home in Bangalore. At 3:35, we reached our home in Bangalore. A single day drive from Bhopal to Bangalore is always a little bit of a stretch. So, if you start taking longer breaks, it ends up being a 23-hour drive. Otherwise, you could kind of finish it in 21 and a half hours. Nevertheless, we reached back safely, and it was an interesting trip. We saw a lot of wildlife and some other interesting stuff. A good end to our summer vacation. If you have liked this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon as well to receive notifications. And keep on smiling, keep on living, and keep on driving.